Last day, and then we're gonna go to Amed. Sun is out, but it's extra cold, like extra cold. It feels like 17 degrees and sunny, probably about 19, but the winds are really chilly. For me today, I'll have the Balinese rice porridge with shredded chicken and a glass of water. And with the fruits, can I have it just sliced like usual? That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, look at this insect that's on the floor. Someone stepped on it and it's a really big one. I reckon it was me. Let's pack! I'm feeling pretty mixed right now because you know what? I love this villa. I love this place. But I am ready for some warmer weather. Turns out this place, this whole region of Munduk, like we're really high up in the mountains, and in December the weather is like this all the time. So the sun will come out every now and then, like in the afternoon, brunch to afternoon time, and then it'll go away. And then it'll rain, and then in the evening it's quite chilly. So I still totally recommend this place. I would recommend bringing some warm clothes though. Bring some warm clothes. By the way, when we travel, sometimes I like to bring a bottle or two of my own to the destination. If you're going to do this, make sure you check the allowance of alcohol that you're allowed to bring into the country before you BYO. Otherwise, trouble or confiscation, or both. I've wrapped them in clothes. Like, I didn't drink them. I always pack coconut oil. Coconut oil is part of my skin routine, one of my few skin routines, and for that, it tends to come in a jar bottle, plastic, 2 layers. Back to the side. Scheduled our departure for 12:45. We came a little bit earlier, but everything here is pretty impeccable with timing. Now we're sitting here waiting, right? And our amazing Putu was like, because Billy was having a beer, and Putu's like, would you like another beer? And Billy's like, nah. And I was like, yeah, that means yes. So now we got some beer. We got beer while we wait. Chitato. After Amed we go, AMED. It's going to be about 2.5 hours drive from where we are. We're going to the northern beaches of Bali. We've been on the road for 2 hours and I've napped, so I haven't seen where we've been, but earlier it was sunny and hot. It took us 30 minutes to go from cold to hot, and now it's just warm and rainy. We have no idea what this is going to be like. I've read nothing about it. We've heard some things about it, like it's good for diving, snorkeling, not so much the surf, but this is going to be completely unplanned. We've noticed on the way here the soil is like really dark. It's like, it looks volcanic. Not too sure if that's related to the fact that there's a volcano, because a volcano is still a couple of hours away from here. I thought that to go to the beach we need to go down, and that it was just going to be a flat drive, like a downhill drive and then just flat. As a matter of fact, it's been the complete opposite. We've gone down the mountain, but we've spiraled up mountains as well, and then we drove through like crazy rains and floods, which I didn't get to record because everything was just happening so quickly. The road that we've driven on the whole entire time that I've seen has been green, like either because that's just the way it naturally is, or if the land is a little bit more barren than others, you can see that the people have planted something like food or herbs. Check it out. kind of hard to believe that we're going to end up at a beach, but that's what it is. So let's call this Boho Bali.
Do you guys know where Nalini Beach Resort is? Nalini Beach Resort?
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
On left side.
Okay, thank you.
We're a bit lost. We've seen, so all the businesses.
Still far.
What?
Still far, yeah?
How long?
About 5 kilo.
5 kilometer?
Yeah.
Wow.
How do I always find these places which are further
That guy
away
said
than
5
anything?
minutes.
This side, I think Lily.
It's now 3:46 and we've passed a few beaches and also I'm running out of battery. Could this be it?
I think that's not Lily.
It's not here.
Hey?
We tried to call the number but there's no like it wasn't connecting. I better have a look. Oh my gosh. It's a little bit hidden but we got here in the end. Nalini Resort and Spa. Hello. Hi. This is us.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. Good, thank you.
Christina?
Yes, that's me.
Pura-pura deh, pura-pura.
Where are you from?
Australia.
No,
Oh, Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Because I see you like Asian.
I see. Yes. Yeah. I look like Indonesian. I think.
Indonesian,
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Oh yes, just like the internet.
So, here,
Yeah.
every day you have 2 mineral water,
Okay.
coffee, tea, and milk. It's
Okay.
free. Yeah.
Great. Perfect. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Cool, but it's nice. It's clean. And oh, I'm sorry. Is our outdoor shower right underneath the mountains? I think it is.
Wow.
We get two.
This is cool.
This is so cool. That's crazy. Wow.
Guess what? Your bathroom's in the
open again.
area again. Are you comfortable with that?
Are you comfortable with that?
Bombs with me being around. Yeah, but I mean it's $100 a night, right?
Yeah, it's pretty good. 110 actually. So it came up to like $3.99 for 5 nights. How good is that? Our outdoor sitting area, which is just by the boats and the beach and the other room, which is over there.
The furniture's pretty cool.
Yeah.
A little beachy.
Very. And we get our standard. What's in here? Oh, little turtles. Our closet space. You got your safe and the facilities. What's in here? Yes, thank you. So what made me choose this accommodation from a place that we have no idea about? I looked on the internet and what I normally look for is if it's clean, a view. So we've got an ocean view and for me that is important because wherever I stay I always feel as though the accommodation is part of the destination, and if you can get a pretty sweet view then that definitely adds to the whole. And now we're going to be showering just right underneath the mountains. That's pretty good. It's $110 a night, so it's pretty spacious. Like we've got heaps of space for storage, which that's important. So whenever I look at the photos, I look for cleanliness, and I don't know if this sounds weird, but I look for light. Even today it's a gloomy day, but in a room that has light, naturally, that just means that there's a lot, that the room gets a lot of natural light, and I like that. So yeah, when I look for photos, I look for light, I look for the space. Breakfast is is always a bonus, and if it looks clean. And then I read reviews to see if people say that it's clean. Location wise, what do I look for? Well, you might have noticed that I choose places that are far away, so I don't really know whether that's on the highest part of my priority. If it's within the area that we're looking, then I'm cool with that, because we can always find modes of transport to get to where we need to be. So that's pretty much it. Oh, and of course safety. If anyone says anything about safety, then like that's a no-go. This place, no one mentioned anything, but it feels pretty safe. It looks pretty safe to me, so that's what I look for in accommodation.